They knew a different person.
What is happening? It was 102 today, and it's still like 85 degrees out, and now it's pouring. We have a monsoon going on. We have thunder. I don't know about lightning because I haven't been out in long enough. But what the heck, guys? Wow. So crazy this weather. Great for the animals. Great for everything that's needing water. The bugs, just everything, right? Maybe they'll stay away from my bus. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this coming down here? I mean, seriously, what the heck? It is pouring. No joke. I mean, it's pouring. It's not like a minute ago, it was like a thundercloud broke and we had like a quick little downpour and then it kind of dissipated. And then we heard thunder again and it all let loose. And I heard some gunshots as well. Insane. I hope it takes away all this heat so we don't have a hot day tomorrow. God, it's been so miserable for us in this bus. It's been absolutely miserable. I am just shocked. I mean, this is like living in Arizona. For reals. Look at that. It's pouring. My hand's getting soaked. Just trying to record it. Do you see it coming down?
Can't think of the good times just because.
And now my truck and my bus are gonna be like mud because of all the dirt that's collected. It's amazing. Across the street, you can see how the reflection. At least it will cool us down, thank God, and smell nice. Everything that's been needing water. I mean, look at this. They have the nerve to post a sign that says recycled water used, and they let the entire block die after